I'm Grant Abbott. I'm an author, presenter, trainer, but also I have a family. 2 daughters. I've got two cats, 2 dogs, and a beautiful wife. She's not my first wife. In fact, I've been through an absolutely messy divorce. I would have been extremely rich now if it wasn't for that divorce that not only took many years, but hundreds of thousands of dollars in litigation. It's an absolute shame, but it's not only family law that really can decimate families' wealth. It's also family provisions claims that happen on death. Did you know that 60% of all estates are now contested, with a large majority of those being successful? You simply have to show as a child, or potentially even a grandchild, or even a friend. There's been cases in New South Wales where they should have been left something in the will and they weren't. Or more importantly, what they were left was not good enough for them. It's easy to find lawyers who are going to litigate. Our job is essentially to protect our family wealth for our bloodline for generations. Now, it's fantastic when that family is all happy, but you know what happens is over time, one child might become unhappy or get involved with someone who's an unhappy person, and then effectively that starts to decimate here. Likewise, if we're in business or we've got investments, we might find someone else attacking us, whether it's the ATO, whether it's our creditors, could be regulators, could even just be the council or the government. I mean, they're encroaching day in, day out. And then, of course, we've also got the economy that may be impacting on us. How many people's homes are going to actually be up for sale this year by mortgagees? And mortgagees don't really care about what they get as long as they get that money back. So there's going to be huge fire sale prices. Now, this is a huge issue, a huge problem that we're facing. But if we come with a higher mind to protect our family wealth for bloodline for generations, so we're not only just protecting mum and dad or partners here, we're protecting the next generation and the generation after that. If we come up with a really good structure, a strategy, and what I call build a castle for your family wealth, and around that put a huge moat, so it makes it very difficult for anyone to penetrate that moat. Nothing is impossible. You have a look, there's never been a castle that hasn't been penetrated. But the marauders, if it's too hard for them, they'll move on, because there's plenty of other targets in Australia at the moment. One thing, for example, over the next 25 years, $4.2 trillion of money is going to move from one generation to another, and much of that's going to be contested. That's a huge bonanza for lawyers in the litigation industry. So our goal is to protect our family wealth, but more importantly, protect our family, not only now, but for generations to come, and make sure our family wealth doesn't move from our bloodline into someone else's bloodline. It's Grant Abbott, signing off.